What's up, everybody? This is Mauricio Cardinal from Roofing Marketing Pros. And today I'm going to talk about how to build a commercial property database. And I'm going to go over the different tools you should use in your business to build a commercial property database for your roofing business. Now, why should you build a database? The main reason is because you want to have a central command of your data. This command will give you an opportunity to not only market to these people, but to continue to advertise your products and services over and over. So that's the main objective of why you should build a database. And unlike residential real estate, there is no really centralized database of properties available. You have to use different platforms. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over these platforms in a bit. And another reason why is once you have this database, you can actually use this database to do all types of different advertising on Google AdWords or even Facebook advertising or display ads. All these different types of advertising are available once you have the database. And it's very important you do this because sometimes, obviously, it takes a little bit of time to start seeing the results you should be seeing. Uh, the commercial roofing is a longer sales cycle than a residential roofing sales cycle. So you have to build this database. And the first tool that I want to talk about is Loopnet. And Loopnet has over 800,000 listings available. It's free to use, and there's a lot of monthly visitors. Monthly visitors. There's 5 million monthly visitors. There's about 500,000 listings available. There's 240 billion in property for sale and 5.1 billion in square feet for lease. The thing with LoopNet that it can take a little bit of time to comb through the database in your city, but obviously this gives you an idea of how many commercial properties are in your city. And what I recommend is using a combination of all the tools that I outline here. Some platforms have more databases. I'm saying have more properties than others, while others have less. So you have to comb and mix and match to see which has the best results. The second one is CoStar. Now, CoStar has over 5 million properties. They have over 1.2 million commercial properties. And the thing with CoStar is that they promise you to connect you with the brokers and owners and investors in your city. So this is a great way to network with these people and include them in your sales system. There's over 1.5 million verified listings, and unlike LoopNet, you actually have to pay for these services. So it's meant to be used if you're a property commercial investor, this is the way they meant to use it. Obviously, as a commercial roofing owner, you want to use this to build the database, get the person's contact information, get the decision maker's contact information so you can have that available to you. The next platform that I want to talk about is Prospect Now. And not many people know this about Prospect Now, but it's been very popular with a lot of roofers that I talk to. There's about 10 million listings in total. They have a list of 30 million commercial property tenants. They have over 1.5 million verified listings. The thing with Prospects Now is that they pay per county, so it's $89 per county and $10 per month for additional counties. What I recommend for this type of database is this database allows you to specifically target hail damaged neighborhoods. So you can actually go into the database, create a cutout, and see which specific properties you want to target. And that property, once you have that cutout of the specific locations and area, that property, not all the time, it gives you their person's contact information. So that's a great way with Prospect Now. So if you're targeting storm damaged neighborhoods and you want to go for the commercial properties available, use this platform and pay for the $89 per the county, whatever county you want to use, and start targeting those damaged neighborhoods available. With Prospect Now, you can also do display marketing. So you can actually use their platform to create ads and target them with a free roof inspection or free roof estimate. Offer them to fix a leak or anything like that you think that would help them, get you your foot in the door, because it's really all about getting your foot in the door and getting these people available. The next one is Blue Book. Blue Book is pretty popular. It's a more of a construction and networking website. It's built exclusively for the construction industry. And what it does, it connects a lot of the decision makers in the industry, and it works well with new construction jobs. There are about 70,000 corporate facility and property manager on the site, and sometimes a lot of you'll get property managers or facility managers to submit bids to you. And it's a great resource, and it's also free. So it's a very resource that I recommend you use. You can probably get 1 or 2 bids a month, or even more, depending on the location you are. And this will help you with the getting more leads and getting yourself your foot in the door. The next one is Dodge Reports. So Dodge Reports is there's two websites that I want to talk about. There's construction.com, business types of subcontractors, and Dodge Project construction projects. So these two resources are available to use. The cheapest option is about $79 a month. So you can start with that and go from there. And what I recommend is really about it's similar to the Blue Book that it's a directory of new construction projects, but it works really well. So you can use a combination of Blue Book and Dodge reports to start getting these bids out to you and start having people submit their information to you. This is another great way to connect with the decision makers, with the property managers and the facility managers in your city or town. Once you have this database, it's time to start building relationships. And that's really the way to do this because if you're not building relationships with these people, then you're not getting a chance to compete in this space. Most of these property managers, facility managers already have a roofer they work with. I already have a general contractor they work with. So you have to actually convince them to offer you a chance and offer you a deal. And the way to do that is obviously is by building relationships. And the first thing that we recommend is actually doing a cold calling. So you can reach out to every property manager and let them know they can fix any leak that you have. Show them the benefit of working with your company. One of my clients, what they used to do is they used to go to every property manager and ask them to fix any leak they have for free. Ask them what leak they had that was free. I mean that was the worst leak that no other contractor can fix. They went in there and tried to fix it themselves for free. This presented the opportunity to give value up front and start the relationship the right way. So obviously cold calling, have a system set up, have a database set up, have a CRM, have your salespeople reach out to them in a direct and targeted manner. Use email, use cold calling, set appointments, offer a free inspection, offer a free leak inspection, offer those different things to help you with this objectives. The second way, direct mail. Direct mail is one of the most effective marketing channels. Once you build a database, once you have their address, once you know where they live, one of the best ways to set up meetings, set up appointments is use direct mail. Direct mail allows you to bypass the gatekeepers and get in front of the prospect right away. And with direct mail, you can also send them a letter and invite them to a commercial roofing symposium or a seminar or a free dinner where you talk about all the commercial property challenges that they face that you can help them with. It's all about offering value up front, and this is a great way to do this. Direct mail, it's been around for a long time, obviously, but over the last 20 years, that should actually become more effective because even though more people are moving towards online, direct mail offers you the opportunity to get in front of the people. So most people are gonna open the direct mail. It's almost kind of like a text message where people are going to read direct mail. Not all the time, obviously, but I think they have like 50% open rate compared to an email, which is 20%. Now, obviously, it's a little bit more expensive compared to an email, which is, if you're doing it free, but direct mail has a huge benefits with the solutions. Next is about going to different associations in your city, in your town. So, which associations can you join in your city? You have to keep in mind that a lot of these deals are going to come from other potential partners and vendors. So a great way to connect with other general contractors, property managers, consultants, is to go to their associations and introduce yourself to them and see how you can help them out. And just it's really a great way to network because networking is really one of the main strategies you'll use to get your foot in the door with the commercial property with the AdWords. Another alternative that you can try that not many roofers are doing, but a lot of the big contractors are spending significant amount is AdWords. Companies like Centermark, Tech to America, Baker Roofing, all these types of companies have spent millions of dollars in AdWords over the last few years. Obviously, I don't have to talk about how Google has a search engine. It dominates search engine results. It's 80% of the market. There's over 2 million businesses that are advertising on Google. So it's a great way to get your foot in the door. When people it's also a great way to target people at the top of the buying cycle. Some people have a damaged roof or a leak roof, whatever damage you think you have. It's a great way to get in front of the door. The thing with these types of services, you have to target a wide enough area. Maybe sometimes it can take the entire state. So if you're targeting a smaller city or smaller town, there might not be enough search volume to determine any type of any results. Some clients they actually they target a single city, but it takes a little bit longer to see the result. It takes 6 weeks, a month, a year. They get one or two leads a month, depending on the search area you want to target. If you want to target the entire state, you can get as many leads as you want. Uh, Obviously, what I recommend is having at least 1.5 or million people in your area that you can target. So I hope you find this video valuable. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to subscribe, you can go subscribe to more videos like this. Go to roofingmarketingpros.com or schedule a call right here at roofingmarketingpros.com/call. Hope you like this video. Thank you guys.